Hey everyone, so here is Clubhouse, and in this quick video I will show you what are Clubhouse clips and how to use them. So basically when you start a room or when you join the room and you are in the room for more than 30 seconds, you will see this active scissors icon, and then you can just share this clip, and clips captures the last 30 seconds of the room. So share this link, copy it, then you can just send let's see how it works, and the output is just like a Clubhouse clip from the last 30 seconds, and it's just, yeah, it works like just an audio file. So for example, if I want to share my Clubhouse clip on Twitter, that's how it will look like, and that's just like a 30-second audio clip from Clubhouse. So that's kind of pretty fun. That's that. You can also disable here, if you're a moderator of the room, you can disable clips. If you just tap on three dots here in top right, you can disable clips. Also, let's go through other like explanation here. So they were introduced just in the end of September. Clips rolling out in beta will allow anyone to share 30-second clips of public rooms on Clubhouse. So, okay, it's only available for the public rooms. When you start a room, you can choose whether you want clips enabled. If you enable clips, people will see a scissor icon. And people can share clips of your show to Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, iMessage. And these Clubhouse clips have been rolled out in beta to a small groups of creators, so that the more of what you can see, people can see the more of Clubhouse. And replays will be coming to Clubhouse in the coming weeks. Replays are an entirely new way for people to experience your rooms live, but later. So just like clips, you'll be able to choose whether you want replays enabled when you start a room. If you're there on, your room will be discoverable on Clubhouse for as long as you like and available for you to download and share anywhere. So that's interesting. So there you have it. That was just a quick introduction to clips. There are also a bunch of other features released on Clubhouse. So anyways, if you enjoyed it, put a